Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. I see here on the Qubitro server on Discord that they're announcing a new dashboard for the Qubitro portal. So let's check in. You see here on my dashboard I have the one project Shotoku Tech telemetry, and I have this one device solar panel 1 attached. And I've got some recent voltage readings from my solar panel here. You see there's data accumulating here. And previously I added this chart to the Analytics tab on Solar Panel 1. And this is the last 30 days of the output. Yeah, I don't always have it attached to the monitor. I went ahead and put this gauge in here. Let's take a look. The new dashboard has a view and edit feature. So in edit, you can change the properties of the various widgets on your dashboard. So we're going to start here at the data point. We're going to select the project, Shotoku Tech Telemetry, and we're going to select the device, Solar Panel 1. Our data points are Solar Panel 1, and the data point unit is volts. And I really appreciate that they have this data value range where you can configure the range here. 0 to 24 lets my gauge cover the spectrum of what the available output of the solar panels is. Okay, let's go ahead and add another widget. I'm going to add a chart. Got to reach down here and grab it. If you grab on the left there, that lets you drag your widget. I'm going to go ahead and expand it out. Make it about the same size as the gauge. Let's edit the widget. Okay, first I'm going to give it a label. Solar Panel 1. Here, widget type, we can see the various choices available. Area, that would be interesting because the graph would be filled in like that. And again here, we're going to select our project and select our device under data point. And then the data points is Solar Panel 1. If you click on that little palette, you can change the color. Now here, line curve, the options are normal or smooth. Let's see what smooth looks like. Yeah, it's kind of boring. We just have that last few looks at that voltage and there's not much change here. Let's go back into customization. Yeah, there, if you click on the palette, you can change the color. You got the little slider along the bottom where you're going to choose the base color, and then the big palette window where you can select the specific color. I'm going to go ahead and change to a line type here. There we go. The line curve is still set to smooth. Let's go ahead and save the changes here. Alright, well, we'll keep that graph there. Let's see what else we can add. Yeah, we'll keep this graph here. It's a little more interesting. Let's see what else we can add. Numbers and stats. That sounds fun. Okay, I got to go down and grab that new number and stat widget there. I'm going to edit the widget. Let's go ahead and give it a label. Oh, I forgot to give it a label. So Analytics. Let's get our data point. Here again, you want to select the project and select the device. Here I'm going to check the data points. Aggregation type. Let's see. I'm going to go for maximum. I think that's a good idea. Let's see what the maximum voltage is. We'll click into font weight. I want to go bold. Let's be bold. Okay, I'm going to label this widget maximum. And let's save that out. There we go. Our maximum voltage of solar panel 1 is 19.8. Let's add another widget. Headline. This is customizable text used for grouping widgets. Yeah, of course that drops down to the bottom of the dashboard here, so let's drag this up where we can see it. We're going to edit this headline. Okay, so Solar panel 1 is going to be the title here. Let's choose a background color. Yeah, we're going to switch the background on. Click on the palette. I want something in the yellow band here. Get that bright yellow one right there. Now you want to go up into the corner of the palette itself, the color picker. And let's pick a bright yellow color. There we go. That looks great. We could go on to pick left or center orientation of the text. We could change the font color, but I'm going to keep it. And then font size, let's go big. And font weight, of course I want bold. Save those changes. Alright, let's make it big enough that we can see what it says there. Don't make it too big now. Let's add another widget. Text. I think text almost seems like it would be the same as that label that we just added. Let's see what we're going to get out of the deal here. Widget type label. Data point. Select project. Select device. Solar panel 1. Data point. Solar panel 1. Data point unit is volts. Font weight. Of course we want to go bold. I don't know what this is going to get me here. Oh, okay. So that's the current voltage, or the last reading. We'll go ahead and edit this. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to keep that. Looks like just another way to add data, but there's no analysis. It's just the raw output of that data point. Remember, the other widget that we added let us choose different types of analysis, like maximum. Okay. So there's my last measured voltage. Yeah, let's trade places with the solar panel 1 label here. We'll drag that back. I'm going to drag that over to the right. Let's add another widget. Now we can't add a map here. I don't have any GPS coordinates. Utilities, that's an interesting one. I click into here. Let's see what this gives me. I have the choice between a battery or a clock. So it seems to me like the clock will probably be the most interesting thing here. I don't have any battery data point. Okay, click on clock and I just get to choose my time zone here. There we go, America, Phoenix. That gives us Mountain Standard Time without any daylight savings time changes. We'll drop that in there, save those changes. Great, now we have a clock on our dashboard. I'm going to shrink solar panel 1 down a little bit. Looks like I have room for one more widget in this particular dashboard. So I'm going to push solar panel 1 over a little bit. Push our clock over a little bit. Now, silly me, I added another numbers and stats widget, and I basically picked the minimum output of the solar panel, which of course gives you 0. Yeah, that's 0. That's not going to be very informative. Let's go back and change that. Go in. I'm thinking of deleting it, but no, customize it. Come on, man, you can do it. Customize. Aggregation type. Oh, I like average. That might be useful. We just got to change the label again. Average. Save those changes. Oh, great. Now that's a lot more useful. We can see what the average output of solar panel 1 is over time. Yeah. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the new changes to the Qubitro portal. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Give this video a like. And before you go watch more of my Qubitro IoT platform videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.